Hey everybody, this is dose 70. I weigh 198.6, or no, 198.8, and worked all weekend. This is New Year's, so been off work, so working. But yeah, 198.8, and gonna continue to drop. Cheated a little bit. May talk about that in the next couple of videos, but I want to see where I end up at. But so anyway, this is day 35, dose 70, and still going good. Cheat just a little bit here and there, but I love food. So anyway, I'm gonna take this and then take my next dose in the morning, and then weigh myself and see what I am tomorrow. So anyway, dose 70. I've got to run to the auto parts store. Working on the cars today. Alright, there it is, dose 70. So I will see you guys for dose 71.